Base to 1967. You're responding for an approximately 30-year-old male who has been assaulted. There was some LOC. He is now conscious, not alert.
10-4, thanks.
We're being dispatched for a male that was assaulted. He had a loss of consciousness and has a potential head injury. This indicates that it's probably a fairly serious assault and we need to get there quickly.
And he was assaulted.
Yep. We need to get to this patient. Any injury to the head when you've been rendered unconscious can be very serious.
He looks like he got pretty banged up.
We pull on scene and find our patient sitting on the ground in the middle of the alley.
Hey guys.
Hi. I just heard some screaming. I work over there.
He's holding a towel to his face, and we note that there's a lot of blood.